Okay, we are back in the workshop. I'm just going to rip all the existing speed control stuff out and put the new one in. So that is most of that. The water cooling, the switch for the power, yeah, quite a lot of that stuff. So let's get to it. So that is the VSC mounted. I've put it on an aluminium plate for an extra heat sink, and it's just stuck to the plywood board with Velcro in case I need to pull it off, and also to let a bit of air underneath it. And I'm just running the wires to the front for the power switch and the throttle pop. So let's connect those up. This is the fly-by-wire excuse me, arrangement I had using a skateboard controller, which sort of works quite well, but yeah, it's just a bit of a mess really. So let's pull those out. So I've added a small spreader on the end of the throttle potentiometer, held it on with a stainless bracket, and that all works quite well now. And let's power it up. Just put the switch in a plate there. Let's power it up, see if it works. So that is now fitted. Just switch that on and try the throttle. Quite loud in here. So just need to tidy up the wiring. I had to remove it just to run through the programming again on the PC. But it's now good, so I'll put the cover back in over that wiring section, and we'll take it for a test run. In the meantime, that's probably it for December. I have a rare appearance of scarlet here, and we'll be taking, I just had an email to say that the entry's been approved for this one for Maddie at Le Mans 2020 Classic Little Big Mans, and they're willing to have Scarlett back as well, even though she's a bit older at 14 by the time we get there. So she'll be taking the Porsche, and Maddie will be taking the Ferrari. So that is it for this year. Hoping to get some videos done over this holiday of Porsche versus Ferrari. So happy Christmas, and thanks for watching.